While the European Central Bank is combating high inflation by raising the key rate, businesses are suffering. Expensive loans are not only deterring enterprises from developing, but they also have a negative influence on consumption. Today, reports on the Eurozone retail sales confirmed that the economic situation in the region will hardly improve. In the Eurozone, consumer activity remained unchanged as the decline in retail sales turned out to be the same. The situation could be explained by the fact that households have limited income caused by stably high inflation and a rise in the loan price. Thus, retail sales once again fell by 2.9%. The indicator has been sliding for 8 months already. Notably, retail sales are the key indicator of consumer activity that is the main driver of the economy. Thus, all the decisions over Europe's sliding into recession have sense. What's more, the economy is really experiencing such difficulties. The fact is that the GDP has been contracting for 2 consecutive months. Nevertheless, traders did not show any clear reaction, as they had expected even more disappointing data. According to the forecast, the decline in retail sales should have accelerated. However, the publication of the US labor market figures is the key reason for such a tepid reaction. What's more, tomorrow the US Labor Department will issue its report. Analysts suppose that employment will rise by 228,000. Growing employment is always a positive factor. Judging by the US population, the expected rise is enough to maintain stability in the labor market. To meet the goal, employment should increase by slightly more than 200,000 every month, although such figures cannot point to future changes, and buyers of the US dollar are likely to return to the market. On the trading chart, we see that the euro-dollar pair continued its downward movement from the resistance level of 1.10. Under the existing conditions, the price settlement below 1.0840 may lead to a deeper drop to at least 1.0800. Taking into account the previous movement near 1.0840 and 1.0850, this area may exert pressure on sellers. In this case, the pair may rebound like it did last week. Meanwhile, the pound-dollar pair was hovering near 1.27 for almost a week, manifesting low activity. Now the quote is trying to leave the sideways channel and consolidate above 1.2750. If the predictions come true, the pound sterling will gradually recover after the recent correction. If the price slides below 1.2650, the volume of short positions will rise, and thus pushing the price to a new low of the correctional cycle. And that's all for now. We keep monitoring the financial market situation. Subscribe to the channel and see you in several hours. We will take a close look at the US trading session.